We have another Savoy house ceiling fan in there, but this one has 5 blades and a light. This is in the master bedroom, of course. The Honeywell's ready. But I'm not really sure if you wanted to turn it on to wait or stay. Oh, look. But, so here's the light. And unlike the other one, it has like a wall control, which is good because you know the speed. Is it on speed 1? Yeah, it is. So it must have been pretty fast. Speed 2. Speed 3. This is medium speed. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6. Huh. Doesn't spin that much air. That's kind of weird. Sorry. Some people are playing pool over there, but yeah. But it does have a reverse key. Oh yeah, it's wobbling right now. Which, that's kind of weird because Savoy House usually doesn't really do that. But anyways, this is the ceiling fan man. Like, subscribe, and remind me for videos.